How do I ask for money from this settlement? You must file a valid claim to get money from this settlement. The court granted final approval to the settlement on December 13, 2019. If you did not exclude yourself from the Rule 23(b)(3) settlement class, you will receive a claim form in the mail or by email. Claim forms are mailing on a rolling basis throughout the month of December. Please be patient. If you do not receive a claim form by the middle of January and/or are not sure whether you are part of this settlement, contact the class administrator. Call the toll-free number 1-800-625-6440. Write to Payment Card Interchange Fee Settlement, P.O. Box 2530 Portland, Oregon 972082530. Email info@paymentcardsettlement.com. Can anyone else file a claim for me? Some companies may offer to help you file your claim form in exchange for a portion of your recovery from the settlement. While you may choose to use such companies, you should know that you can file with the class administrator on your own, free of charge. Additionally, you are entitled to contact the class administrator or Rule 23(b)(3) class counsel for assistance with understanding and filing your claim form, again, at no cost to you. Prior orders of the court regarding third-party claims filing companies are available for review here. What happens if someone else files a claim for my business before I can do so? Don't worry, just because someone else filed a claim for your business before you had a chance to do so does not mean that you can't file your own claim. Claim conflicts will be reviewed and resolved as they arise, and filers may be asked to provide additional documentation to show they had the right to file that claim. Once a conflict is resolved, the filers will be notified about the decisions that were made. How do I file a claim? Claim forms began mailing to all known class members on December 1, 2023, and will continue to be mailed on a rolling basis. Please be patient. You can scan the QR code provided on the claim form you received and use the secure website credentials provided on your claim form to file your claim. If you file your claim online, it must be submitted by 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on February 4, 2025. Claim forms can also be mailed to Payment Card Interchange Fee Settlement, P.O. Box 2530 Portland, Oregon 972082530. Who decides the value of my claim? The class administrator has data from defendants and others which permits it to estimate the total value of interchange fees attributable to each authorized claimant on its Visa and MasterCard card transactions during the period from January 1, 2004 to January 25, 2019, interchange fees paid. It is the current intention to utilize this data to the extent possible, to estimate the interchange fees attributable to members of the Rule 23(b)(3) settlement class. Where the necessary data is not reasonably available to estimate a class member's interchange fees paid, or if the interchange fees paid claim value established by the class administrator is disputed by the class member is required to submit information in support of its claim. This information will include, to the extent known, interchange fees paid attributable to the class member, merchant discount fees paid, the class member's merchant category code and/or a description of the class member's business, and total Visa and MasterCard transaction volume and/or total sales volume. Based on these data, the interchange fees paid attributable to the class member will be estimated for each known member of the Rule 23(b)(3) settlement class. The class administrator has provided class members the ability to access the claims website with a unique code to permit it to view the manner in which its claim value was calculated, and may also provide this information on a pre-populated claim form. Class members may accept or disagree with data on the claim form or this website. The claim form and online claim filing portal explain how to challenge the data. More details about how all claims are calculated is available in Appendix I to the class settlement agreement. What if the class administrator doesn't have my data? The claim form also allows class members for whom no financial data is available or who were not identified as class members to file a claim. Those merchants will have to fill out and sign a claim form and return it by the deadline or complete the claim filing process online. If the class administrator does not have a record of the interchange fees paid by your business during the class period, you will be asked to provide the known or estimated dollar amount of your eligible Visa and/or MasterCard interchange fees paid during the class period. If the class administrator is unable to validate the interchange fees paid you have claimed, you may later be required to submit documents to support your claim. If you do not know your interchange fees paid, you can leave that field blank, or tick the box on the paper claim form that says "I don't know," and the class administrator will contact you about next steps.